Personal object pronouns. We continue to study personal pronouns. You remember that personal pronouns can be in a subjective form that replaces the subsequent in the sentence, and in the object form, i.e. be a complement. In the previous session we examined subject personal pronouns, and now we will consider object personal pronouns. Personal object pronouns are the additions that are placed after the verb and describe the object to which the action is directed. Object pronouns answer the questions of whom, who, about whom. For example, they gave me. Anne called him. I'm talking with them. Object personal pronouns in a sentence can never act as a subject. They are used only as a complement, as a direct or indirect object of the main verb's action. Let us consider the use of these pronouns in examples. The first sentence contains a personal subject pronoun, and the second sentence contains a personal object pronoun. I like milk. John likes me. Can you do this? Nick talks to you. They play golf. Jim and Kate beat them. Do you see the difference? Object pronouns are the object to which the action is rendered. It is easy to distinguish subject and object pronouns. Let's go back to the basics for a moment. Each complete sentence has the structure subject always makes action to object. Subject can be a person or a thing, a place, an idea, anything that carries out the action of the verb, and it can be expressed with subject personal pronouns. Object. This is what takes the action of the verb, and it can be expressed with object personal pronouns. Look at the table for examples. I gave her a book. Did you tell them about the meeting? He told you real facts. Will you tell her to come here? Object pronouns are personal pronouns in the objective case that correspond to the following subject personal pronouns. Subject pronoun I becomes me in the objective case. For example, listen to me. Subject pronoun you stays as you in the objective case. For example, this is for you. Subject pronoun he becomes him in the objective case. For example, I knew him for ages. Subject pronoun she becomes her in the objective case. For example, the flowers are for her. Subject pronoun it remains it in the objective case. For example, I can use it. Subject pronoun we becomes us in the objective case. For example, Miss Smith teaches us English. Subject pronoun they becomes them in the objective case. For example, the pizza is for them. I hope that the topic personal object pronouns did not seem too complicated for you, and this knowledge will be useful to you in life. Let's check today's topic. Use the correct personal subject pronoun instead of picture. I gave him a book and a pen. Boys and girls, let us act quickly. I will bring them a pizza. Is it your bike? Can I use it? Children, I am talking to you. Listen to me. Don't forget to use this book, Pronouns in English. I'm sure that anyone who takes our course will learn to correctly express their thoughts, and of course, will always be correctly understood by the interlocutor. Keep on practicing the personal pronouns by commenting on actions of your everyday life and changing the name to pronouns. Here are some examples. I called her. instead of I called to Jane. Lisa will come to him, instead of to her brother. This is my flashcard. Give it to me. Flashcard, actually. And finally, learn the new proverb. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Keep learning, and don't forget that practice makes perfect. See you next time.